The blood is on the streets. Let me tell you, it's just getting started. Now it's very important what the big tech stocks are doing. The Fed can really turn tables here on Wednesday. We are breaking lots of technicals. This is not good. Once we are breaking through those technicals, algorithms are selling. Hedge funds are selling. One thing is clear, as more it goes down, as better the options and prices are being delivered. Are we looking into a Black Monday today? What the hell is going on? I mean, this morning I had to go to my hair cutter to cut my hair accordingly because the stock market just shaved me, so I shaved myself too. So welcome to another video. The blood is on the streets. Let me tell you, it's just getting started. I said it yesterday in my Tesla video that today could be a 50-50 chance, and you know guys, this is exactly what happened, okay? The futures actually started in the green, okay? And I was posting this on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. And then suddenly it turned very red. And meanwhile, we are already 1% down in the futures below 4,400. And guys, this is not good. I will show you why. If we are looking into those technicals here of the S&P 500, then we are actually in the downtrend now officially, okay? 4,427 is the 200 moving average, which is like the overall trend. So it can move down from here, and for now there's no way out than sitting this out, okay? I mean, look at this, all the major stocks are down. For example, let us have a look. So stocks that are Peloton, another 4% down. Beyond Meat, 3.5% down. Space, 5% down. Tesla, 5.8% down. Bitcoin, 6.42% down. Everything is absolutely going down quite heavily. This is not good, guys. This is really serious. And this is, again, the weekend effect that we have here because, you know, over a weekend, there can be so much news coming up. And this is what happened, right? So we had over the weekend, you know, more Russia and Ukraine and European tensions with the US involved. Obviously, there's not much risk for the US itself. It's just like a geopolitical risk going on, right? Then additional risk came now from Abu Dhabi, which is like 100 kilometers from here away. You know, Yemen, terrorists shooted 2 missiles that were broken down by Abu Dhabi, and then Abu Dhabi struck the missile launch area in Yemen. This is just like ridiculous things coming up here. So I feel like there's lot of things currently on the markets that are very dangerous, guys. We don't know yet how it develops, but one thing is clear, as more it goes down, as better the options and prices are being delivered, okay? So what does it mean? This means that we are currently looking into, as of now, and I'm looking like CNBC all the time now to see what the big guys are saying on CNBC, because, you know, there's some ex-big bankers like the CEO of Blankfein, the ex-CEO of Goldman. There's, good economists that just sharing their opinion. And you see overall that, you know, there is definitely common ground. They're seeing that, okay, it's just getting started apparently, okay? So we don't know where the bottom is as of now, temporary. So everything is going down. I mean, you cannot be anywhere safe. Even as of now, Apple is down 2%, Netflix down 4%, Amazon down percent, another 3%, guys. So you can see here now it's very important what the 3, 4, 5 big tech stocks are doing, because they are holding basically the S&P 500. Okay, so let's have a look into the stocks of Apple, for example. Apple down 2% in the pre-market. And if you are opening the chart and go to the 3 months to see, okay, where is the support levels here, you can see the next support level is at 157, and we are now pre-market at 159. So this could break again. And then you see DAX, the German DAX is down 2.5%. So it's unbelievable how it goes, you know, it's unbelievable, crazy going on the stock market. And what is the real comeback opportunity here. Now, earnings are this week, and then is the Fed. The Fed can really turn tables here on Wednesday. But on Wednesday, we still have a lot of time to go even more down. So this is quite interesting to see if we will see lower level as of this point, or we bounce back sometime soon. With this all said, let's dive into the next category. So those are my observations. First of all, we have a lot of geopolitical issues which are really waiting on the markets, and it's something that we still don't know how it could play out. So it's not 100% priced into the market. This means if something happens in the East European tension, like for example, Russia really goes into Ukraine, then we can see a way bloody market, okay? Way more bloody market, okay? So this is number one. Number two is that once we see a little bit of recovery, it's usually used to directly sell further off, okay? We have seen this a couple of times now where the market is picking up a little bit and then selling off directly afterwards. So this is something that you can really see. The good thing is that you can see this changes of weather a little bit earlier. So stay tuned for more of this, because I will let you know either in a video or in a live stream about this changes of weather, okay? Third, we are breaking lots of technicals, which means no good, okay? This is not good. Once we are breaking through those technicals, algorithms are selling, hedge funds are selling, institutions are selling. Because, for example, institutions cannot short, they are only long, so they either buy or sell or hold. So most of those are holding right now, but they start, okay, you know, the technicals are, the trend is down, so we are selling, okay? So this is the problem that I see on the overall market. There's a lot of damage. However, at some point we will get those dead cat bounce rallies, obviously. This is something that is usually done every now and then. Now we have the fourth day that is negative on the S&P 500, for example. And, you know, after the fifth, sixth day, usually we have a small bounce back. But this is, again, used to sell off. So it's really hard to navigate those markets right now. It's really painful. I can feel it, okay? I can see it on the market as well, okay? So let me know in the comments what you think about my new haircut. I feel that what is now happening, and this can be very hard for many people. The last 2 years was a very easy market. The Fed came in, you just, you know, buy whatever comes on the market. If it's SPAC, if it's a Rivian, if it's a Lucid, everything goes up. And now it's the opposite, right? Everything you buy goes down. If you buy the dip, it's going down. You're trying to buy a Tesla at 950, it's going down, and so on. It's very hard to navigate right now. So that said, you have a very bad sentiment on the market, which is then, you know, really hard to navigate in terms of, okay, where is a bottom here, okay? And not only that, it will hurt the long-term psychology of many new investors, because they get absolutely burned, they get margin calls, they get liquidated, and so on. And then their psychology is so damaged because they lost so much money that they say, okay, I don't want to be in the market anymore, okay? And then they basically decide to go out and never invest maybe again, okay? So this is quite interesting to see how this will play out, because the overall bull market, the buy everything, buy every dip, this is over. This is over. There will be some recovery at some point, but today can be a very bloody Monday, okay? So let's see how this further develop. I mean, the markets don't like the current situation. There's a lot of uncertainty. The main part here is that uncertainty killing every big vibe here, okay? So very hard to handle. With that said, let's see what I see in the conclusion of this video. So the conclusion real quick, guys. Sometimes it makes sense and it's much nicer to stay on the sidelines. Okay, just enjoy the sidelines. Make sure to just enjoy a little bit of time. Stay with more cash on the sidelines. Try to buy something nice when it all a little bit cool down. But now it's very hard to navigate, guys. Okay, it's super hard. So with that said, I feel like you have now a better overview on the markets. It doesn't get easy right now, and it's sometimes the best way to just sit aside. Okay, just sit aside and buy your long-term plays if you really believe in that, and enjoy those really cheap prices, because at some point we will go up again. The Fed doesn't want to either crash the market as well not put us in the recession. So this is the thing. Let's see what they do on Wednesday. I'm very happy to be watching this very closely. So let's see what the Fed really does for us. Maybe they help, maybe not. But I think the possibility that they say some things that helping the market is maybe the most probable outcome.